It's November's Stitch Fix. If you want to see what I got in my box, then you need to keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So today we're going to look at Stitch Fix. This is my November box. I think Stitch Fix are trying to switch things up a little bit. I got an email from them a couple of weeks into October asking whether I liked the picks that my stylist had picked out for me. Unfortunately, out of the 5 items, I literally only liked 1. So I selected that item and I was promised that would be in my November box, which it was. I also stated again that I did not want any blouses and I was a bit iffy about the jeans. The items that she kind of picked out were very random. Nothing seemed to go together. My idea of a styling box is that I get pieces that are compatible with what I'll put in the box and also will be helpful for additional items that I have in my wardrobe. Do I think this is a good thing that you get to choose? Possibly. However, the things that I did get, I will tell you right now, I did not like this box at all. And I will show you and tell you why not. Before we get into the video though, I would appreciate if you consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to leave your comments and your thumbs up at the end of the video. Thank you. Okay, just a little detailing about Stitch Fix. That will cost you £10 a month. That is what they call a styling fee. If you purchase anything from your box, that £10 will be deducted. However, if you send all 5 items back, you will lose out on the £10. You do receive a little bit of paperwork. This is a return sticker. Anything you don't want, just put that back on your box and send it off. You will receive a little card. This has a personal letter from your stylist and they show you ways that you can actually dress the outfits that they send you. Also, if you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. We will get £15 each of credit. So it's a win-win situation. You will also receive invoice, sorry, can't think, of how much everything costs, branding and sizes, etc. And I'll go through that as I go through the videos. So what I normally do on my videos is you'll see a little try on video here and I will hold the piece that I'm trying on and explain why I didn't like it or if indeed I did like it. We also got a leaflet which I found quite funny, is still searching for the perfect pair of jeans. I think I've been searching for the perfect pair of jeans from Stitch Fix for probably a year and a half or as long as I've been getting Stitch Fix, and they just do not achieve it. The only place that I can happily say that I get jeans from that fit perfectly and are within budget is actually Primark. Okie dokie, so let's get on with the video. So the first thing I tried on for you is this little skirt. So it is a brown leopard print, as you can see. It does have pockets, but it is very, very see-through. You can see my underwear through it. This is the sort of thing I would expect in a summer box, spring summer box maybe, not autumn winter. I did like the fact that it did have pockets, which was great. However, this piece of clothing, the waist was too big and the hips was too small, which made the pockets actually not sit in properly. Had this been sent in a summer spring box, I might have been tempted to keep it. However, this time of year, this is just not practical and not worth paying, like, no. I'd rather save my money on a bit of a thicker skirt, I suppose. Details on this is by Editor's Cut. It's called the Anita Animal Printed Soft Midi Skirt. The colour is brown, the size was 18 and the cost is £39. Do not think this is great value at £39. So for that reason, I won't be keeping this. Okay, on to the next piece now. This is a little sort of t-shirt, baseball t-shirt I think they call it. Now this was the one that was on the pics I wanted to pick out and I chose this. It's got little dots on it that are silver. I like things like this that I can just throw on with some leggings. But again, the material is quite thin. It's like t-shirt material actually. It's not sort of sweatshirt type. Now with this, I felt it was a little bit tight on the bust area, on the shoulders, but at the bottom area, it's kind of too big, too baggy. So that's that. Like I say, that is a choice that I picked that I wanted to keep in my box. The other 4 items I did reject. So the details on that little top. It's by Bowden. This is called the Lorna Baseball Jersey T-shirt. The colour's grey, the size is large, and the cost is £38. I'm not prepared to pay £38 for a long sleeve T-shirt. Even with my £10, £28 for me is still a little bit too expensive. So for that reason, I will not be keeping that one. Okie dokie, next we have this top. The positives on this is I do like the colour. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a nice sort of autumny, wintry colour. Very pretty. However, I do not wear cuff sleeve things like this. I've never liked them on me. I would never go and purchase something like this. Now you're all probably going to say that it looked really nice on me. I mean, yeah, it did look nice, but it's just not my cup of tea. I also felt that the body was a little bit too short for me as well. So for that reason, I will not be keeping that either. But the details on that is editor's cut. This is called the Cecilia Cupro Jersey shirt. The colour's dark purple, the size was 16 and the cost of that's £38. Next, I tried on jeans. So these are just a black straight leg pair of jeans. I have to say the fit was pretty good. I did feel like those ridges on the legs happened again, which is something that doesn't happen on Primark jeans, just a piece of information there. So these are just a basic pair of jeans that I know you can pick up very similar items from Georgia Asda for like 15 quid. So that's them. The details on those are, they're by Bowden. They're called the Slim Straight Jean. The colour was black, the size is 18, and they are a whopping £55. They're going back. And the last item was this very pretty dress. It's got like the leopard print with the black and purple, I guess. This dress, again, very, very thin, very, very see-through. Let me just do the details on this. So this is by Anita. This is called the Roberta Printed Relaxed Smock Dress. The colour's burgundy, the size is 16 and the cost is £49. Okay, so I didn't like this dress. I like the sleeving. I've got a thing with the elastic here. I didn't feel it was very flattering on. The collar here didn't sit kind of flat to my chest area. It kept wanting to, this bit here, just wanted to pucker out and not sit properly. And to be honest, I found, excuse me, not only this item, but please tell me if I'm wrong, but I just felt that whole box was frumpy. I appreciate I'm a person in their 50s, however, I do not feel like 50. I'm not saying that I want to dress as a 20-year-old, however, I certainly will be looking at things like this when I'm probably in my 70s. So for me, I found the whole box completely frumpy and just not me at all, which is unfortunate. It's just the way it is. Okay, so the whole box, the Stylist picks total was £219. If you buy everything, you get a 20% discount, which will take it off £43.80. Then your £10 styling fee. So then the whole box would come to £165.20. Okay, so I'm sure you can gather I'm not happy with this box. I found the whole thing frumpy, definitely not my style. Yeah, so the whole thing is unfortunately going back this time. you can't win them all. I totally get that. I just thought with introducing this new thing where you're rejecting what you don't like, that it was hopeful that I would get more items that I did like. And I find this completely funny that we're still looking for, are you still searching for your perfect pair of jeans? Stitchfix can help you, or your stylist can help you. What a load of beep. Anyway, rant over, it's all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to consider subscribing. Leave your comments down below. Tell me whether I'm being a little bit too picky. I, however, do not feel that I am. I'm honest as always, and did feel that this box was a little dated. Okay, please take care of yourselves, my lovelies, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye. Bye.